How to harness the power of the mind via quantum mechanics. In the realm of human potential, there's an untapped source of power that remains shrouded in mystery for many, the human mind. What if I told you that you can harness the power of your mind via quantum mechanics? It might sound like science fiction, but it's a reality grounded in cutting-edge science and ancient wisdom. In this video, we will delve into the depths of quantum mechanics, exploring how it relates to the immense capabilities of our minds. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Quantum mechanics unveiled, the quantum world in a nutshell. Before we embark on our journey of understanding how to harness the power of the mind through quantum mechanics, let's first unravel the basics of the quantum world. At the quantum level, the rules of classical physics no longer apply. Particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, and the mere act of observation can alter their behavior. This phenomenon opens the door to the incredible potential of the human mind. The mind-reality connection. Quantum mechanics suggests a profound connection between the mind and reality itself. The famous double-slit experiment has shown that particles behave differently when observed, implying that our thoughts and intentions can influence the physical world. This leads us to the fundamental question: can we consciously direct this power? How to harness the power of the mind via quantum mechanics. The fusion of quantum mechanics and harnessing the power of the mind is a topic that has fascinated researchers, philosophers, and spiritual practitioners alike. Here are the steps to help you unlock this potential. 1. Mindful awareness. Cultivating mindful awareness is the foundational step in harnessing the quantum potential of your mind. It begins with a profound realization: your thoughts and intentions hold immense power. By simply observing your own mind, you initiate a transformative journey. In this introspective act, you become the observer of your thoughts, recognizing their impact on your reality. This newfound awareness empowers you to consciously direct your thoughts and intentions towards positive outcomes. Through this process, you tap into the quantum realm where the possibilities are boundless. Your mind becomes a quantum tool, shaping your reality in ways you never imagined. 2. Visualization techniques. Visualization techniques serve as a potent tool for manifesting your deepest desires. Quantum mechanics unveils a captivating concept: the power of visualization to shape the quantum field. By vividly imagining your goals and aspirations, you're not merely daydreaming, you're actively participating in a quantum dance. Your thoughts, imbued with intention, resonate within the quantum realm, setting in motion a series of events that align with your vision. This practice heightens the probability of your aspirations becoming reality. As you harness the quantum potential, your visualizations become a bridge between the realm of possibility and your tangible achievements, empowering you to transform dreams into concrete outcomes. 3. Positive affirmations. Integrating positive affirmations into your daily routine is a potent strategy for self-transformation. This practice leverages the remarkable capacity of your subconscious mind. By consistently repeating positive statements, you embark on a journey of reprogramming your inner beliefs and attitudes. These affirmations act as seeds of change, gradually reshaping your mindset and aligning it with your objectives. As you persistently reinforce these affirmations, they become embedded in your subconscious, influencing your thoughts, decisions, and actions. This alignment with positivity not only boosts self-confidence, but also amplifies your ability to realize your goals, serving as a powerful ally in your pursuit of personal growth and achievement. 4. Meditation and quantum connectivity. Regular meditation is a transformative practice that deepens your connection with the quantum field. As you sit in contemplative silence, you begin to access the universal consciousness, a reservoir of boundless wisdom and creativity. Meditation transcends the limitations of ordinary thought, offering a gateway to profound insights and inspiration. In this tranquil state, your mind aligns with the frequencies of the quantum realm, where possibilities are limitless. As you tap into this expansive awareness, you not only find clarity and peace, but also open the door to innovative ideas and solutions. Meditation becomes a bridge between your conscious mind and the vast quantum expanse, enriching your life with newfound depth and creativity. Dive into the intriguing realm of quantum healing. where the power of your mind intersects with your body's innate capacity to heal. This concept delves into the profound influence of thoughts and intentions on your well-being. By directing your mind's energy toward healing, you tap into the quantum potential within you. This process can catalyze improvements in your health and overall well-being. Quantum healing acknowledges the mind-body connection, emphasizing that positive intentions and beliefs can initiate transformative healing processes. 6. The law of attraction. Gain a profound understanding of the law of attraction within the context of quantum mechanics. In the quantum world, the principle that like attracts like holds immense significance. Your thoughts and intentions emit energetic frequencies that resonate with similar vibrations in the quantum field. By concentrating on positive thoughts and intentions, you align yourself with the quantum realm's inherent harmony. This alignment becomes a magnetic force, drawing towards you the outcomes and experiences you ardently desire. 7. Quantum entanglement and relationships. Delve into the intriguing concept of quantum entanglement and its analogy in the realm of relationships. In quantum mechanics, particles can become entangled, creating an inexplicable connection that transcends physical distance. In a similar vein, fostering positive connections and intentions in your relationships can create bonds that go beyond the surface. By nurturing harmonious and loving connections with your loved ones, you can establish a form of emotional entanglement. This shared energy and intention can lead to stronger, more profound relationships where empathy, understanding, and support flow effortlessly, fostering a deep sense of unity and connection that defies geographical or emotional distance. 8. Quantum decision-making. Apply the principles of quantum decision-making to your life. Quantum mechanics teaches us that decisions can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. By adopting a flexible mindset and considering multiple possibilities, you can make more informed and empowered choices. 9. Quantum creativity and innovation. Tap into quantum creativity to boost your innovative thinking. Quantum mechanics encourages us to think beyond traditional boundaries, embrace unconventional ideas, and explore uncharted territories in your creative pursuits, whether in art, science, or problem solving. 10. Quantum consciousness expansion. Consider expanding your consciousness through quantum exploration. Quantum mechanics hints at a vast, interconnected universe of possibilities. Engage in practices like lucid dreaming, astral projection, or deep meditation to broaden your awareness and experience higher states of consciousness. The power of the mind, as illuminated by quantum mechanics, is a captivating subject that holds the potential to transform our lives. By cultivating mindful awareness, using visualization techniques, and incorporating positive affirmations, you can begin your journey to harnessing this incredible power. Remember, the quantum world is a realm of limitless possibilities, and with dedication and practice, you can unlock its secrets. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.